Well, thanks to someone's amazing ideas in storage hacks for the Jayco Swan, we ended up doing a little one, which if I give you guys a little bit of a show. So we ended up doing this little storage on the side of our wardrobe here, and as simple as that, before we go for travels, we unhook from the magnets, and she's just as simple as that and ready for travel. And then just as simple, we're setting back up, and just like that, all good to be packed up and used again. We put our paper towels, and we've got a couple of shelves and some hooks as well.